Diary, it is March 2024. This is a 2013, so that means at least 11-year-old Samsung Ultra 7 laptop. Now the purpose of today is to change the battery and do some general upgrades, and you'll see the battery has arrived from China, 30 something pounds, almost 40 pounds including postage, and I've already put some extra RAM in here. So this laptop is, like I say, over 10 years old, and I suppose the question was, is it worth refurbishing? Because the cost of the memory was about 40, the cost of the battery was about 40, the cost of the memory was about 15, so we're spending at least 55 pounds on the refurb, and whether anyone will actually take it off my hands for this price for recycling, I really don't know. Anyway, I thought I'd go for it, so we're going to go ahead. So there's the new battery. Looks like the old battery, so that's excellent. And amazingly, this laptop can be removed and disassembled by just using a Phillips screwdriver on these screws here. So that is what we're going to do. Now the actual battery manufacturer supplied me with some tools. How nice of them is that, eh? Little jar there. Now, I've done this a few times and they're all exactly the same length. So I don't have to worry about the placement. Okay, so once these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws are removed, simply with a spudger, you can just open the edge of the case. So this case here, if you see here, it's loose already. And then you need a spudger to just edge around this case, and it sticks at this point here. So this point here sticks, but the edges come off cleanly. Been off quite a few times in the last a week or two, so it probably comes off easier than a regular one. Okay. Come on, baby. Don't embarrass me. There you go. So, as you can see, I've already upgraded the memory. So the memory can be upgraded to a maximum of 10 gig. So I've got there's a 2 gig on the motherboard, and I've put an 8 gig in here. So we've got 8 plus 2, we've got 10 gigabytes of memory. This is the old battery, looking astonishingly like the new battery. Brilliant. Okay. Pressed F2, checking that the Mr. Mouse is working. It is. So now it's safe to power it off. And we will finish with the screwing.